Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a campaign on Mailingboss. So when you land on Mailingboss, it's going to bring you to this page, and on this page here you can see the last list you created to create a new list and to create a new campaign. I'll just start here, and also in this drop down you'll pick the list you want to attach it to. If you click continue, it's going to bring you, this is the creation wizard. I'm just going to run through this really quickly. You'll just have the name of the campaign. There's a regular and an autoresponder, and a regular email sends to all of the subscribers you already have on the list. An autoresponder will keep sending to everybody who joins the list. Okay, very important. The lists here again, and then if you want to attach this to an already made sequence, those will be listed here. Here, you want to add a segment, add a lead score filter, or add a tag filter. Now, depending on what kinds of leads you want to filter these to, you can select one or multiples of these. And if you want to merge two lists by sending this to multiple lists, you can do this here. And this will create new merged lists as well. If I go to next, this is the creation wizard for the template. I will go over this in another video, but this is where you're going to edit the content of your email. I click save and next. This is going to be the from name and the from email. Note that the from email must be from a verified domain and from a verified sender. You find both of those under sender emails and domains up here. The reply to is going to be set up in the list, and then to name, you typically just want this to have email. But there's other also tags that you can use here for some customization. And then make sure that you have a subject or it will not let you continue. You click save and next. This is for the autoresponder. If it were a regular email, it would just have a specific date and time to send. But with this, we're just going to do after subscribe. Or if you want to do this after they open a certain campaign, we'll do after subscribe. And this is the amount of days, hours, weeks, months, minutes that you want to set. And right here, typically we just recommend to send to current and future, but if you only want to send this to future people and not the people you already have, you just select send to future only. And then if you want to send a test email, you'll click this button here. Right here, you can see the preliminary info as well as checking the spam score. It's going to be approximate. We use a system that detects spam, and as you can see, it's a 4. Keep in mind that the higher this number, the worse. You want it to be as close to 0 as possible. And then once I click save and activate, it will activate this email and send to my subscribers on that list. Okay, so if you stay tuned for the next video, I'll be talking about this menu here, as well as some other videos talking about our new Mailingboss features. So please stay tuned for those, and as always, have a great day.